In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view volume in TradingView. Now, whether you're new to trading or an experienced trader, understanding how to access and customize volume data is key to analyzing market movements effectively. So let's dive in and get started. First, we're going to add the volume indicator to our chart. Begin by looking at the top of your TradingView interface. You'll notice an icon that looks like a flask. This is the Indicators and Strategies button. Go ahead and click on that. A search bar will appear, providing you with the option to find a specific indicator. Type in the word volume here. TradingView comes with a built-in volume indicator, so when it pops up, select it. You'll see it appear as a histogram right beneath your main chart. Sometimes you might notice that the volume bars can overlap your candlesticks, making it difficult to read everything clearly. If this happens, don't worry, it's easy to fix. Simply hover over the volume indicator pane and you'll see a three-dot menu, which often appears near the pane name. Click that menu and you'll find an option that says Move to New Pane below. Select this to display the volume information in its own separate section. This makes it much easier to see both the price action on the chart and the volume data simultaneously without any clutter. Next, to customize the volume settings, look for the gear icon within the volume pane and click on it. This will open up the settings for the volume indicator. You'll want to then navigate to the tab labeled Style. Here, you have a few customization options that can really tailor the information to your preferences and make it much more readable at a glance. For instance, you can adjust the bar colors to represent up and down days differently. This is particularly useful because it provides a quick visual reference to see if the volume was higher on days when the price was rising or falling. You might also want to tweak the opacity of the bars, which affects how see-through they are. And finally, you can change the bar width to make the histogram more or less prominent depending on your liking. Trading is all about gathering and interpreting data effectively. By customizing your volume indicator, you can transform raw data into insightful information that can assist in making smarter trading decisions. So, experiment with these settings until you find the right mix that helps you easily interpret the market dynamics. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your trading journey with more confidence.